Good morning, Fanicorns. Today I'm going to be doing a slime collection. Okay, I will. A slime collection. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I guess I could start with this. This is not slime though, but it's clay. I keep it in a Flarp container because I have no other container, and all my other Flarps are very bad, disgusting, so I mix them up and threw them away. But this is Model Magic, so keep it in here so that whenever I need it, I just pull it out. Okay, I'm going to start with these slimes, but these are slimes that I'm going to be selling. So here are these slimes. Some of them are the same, some of them are. So, first one is this 8-ounce slime I'm selling. It's like a very nice orange color, and it very stretchy. It's a very good texture. Very, very quick too. Let me try and put you guys here. That's not good. What if I put this there? No, what if I put like my squish here? Okay, perfect. So this is it's called Orangesicle, but it's not actually really orange. It's like a light coral orange, but I don't know what to call it except for Orangesicle. So it's a really nice texture. It smells amazing. I have my scents here from P&J. I got them from Amazon. They are awesome, so you should go buy some scents. And this one is $5. This one is like a really good slime. Like I have a lot of this in stock. And there's like glitter sinks to the bottom. Let me get another one. See, the glitter sinks to the bottom. But this is like an old slime I had, but I made it really nice, so it's like really stretchy and smells really nice and very clicky. So that's that. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry that the camera keeps falling or my phone keeps falling, because I don't have a camera yet. Yeah. Here's one that's been in stock. That has a lot in stock right now. But there's better ones of these. There's like a butter slime. There's one of these. And they all smell. This one's not very stretchy, but they all smell like mint. And this one's not very stretchy, like I said, but most of them are stretchy. Some don't have glitter in them, and one is a butter slime, so I can show you guys that. This one's the one with no glitter in it. As you can see, there's no glitter at the bottom. Well, there's some pieces of glitter, but excuse me, other than that, there's no other pieces of glitter. Very, very glossy and very pokey, very, very clicky, very stretchy. So yeah. And yeah, this is like a really nice slime, and all the 4 ounces, except for some, are only $2. So yeah, and I might come across the butter slime, but yeah, this is a limited edition, so this is $3 because there's only one of these, and it has beads in them, and it smells awesome. So it's like a birthday cake. because I don't want to make these prices too high. So it's really clicky, really stretchy, and yeah, that's that. My personal slimes are coming up next. I have a personal slime somewhere in the living room because I have my slimes everywhere. There's also another personal slime in my room, but I'll show that on my next one. This one's really sticky. I don't know what happened to it, so I might not sell this. I can do a giveaway. I can do a giveaway with this slime if you guys are okay with really sticky slimes. But it might become stickier. So I'm gonna set this aside because I don't know if I'm gonna sell that or not. Okay, anyway, so here's a 2 ounce. This is only $1. It's a nice color. It used to be a really pretty light blue, but like I put in more green, so now it's like this. But it's really nice, stretchy. You could say it's pokey. But yeah, okay. Like, if you stretch too hard. Sure. Yeah. And this one is like a gray slime with like blue beads in them. It's glossy as well. There's glitter in it. It's very, very I don't know, wet, but like it's very moist. That's what I meant, like not very wet, like moist. Like I don't know how to explain it. Like it's like, okay, it's cold. Like it feels like water, but it's cold. No, but it's not water. It's cold. So, yeah. Okay, and I think this one's the butter slime. No, this is not the butter slime. This one has a little bit of glitter at the bottom. Most of these are fluffy, but since fluffy slimes don't like stay forever, they are glossy. This one is also kind of like the other one, like not very stretchy. But it's because some people that like don't poke slime, they just flatten it out and roll it up and stretch it. They don't really can't handle sticky slime. I mean sticky slime, like I don't know how to explain it. Okay, and whatever. This one's also a limited edition. It's like has the final pieces at the bottom. I don't know how to say it, so I say final. And it's like a pearl slime. It's a really nice texture. It's really pretty too. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Like I cannot handle it. It's too pretty. Sometimes I don't even want to sell it, but I will sell it. There's another one just like this that it's like really sticky. I do not know what happened to it. It used to be a putty. Like, look at this. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take this out, but I'm just gonna poke it. Yeah, it's like really like watery, sticky. See, yeah. Let's not mess with that for now. So anyway, this is the slime. Really clicky, stretchy. Really nice. So yeah. I am going to show this in another video because I am wasting my time and I don't have a lot of storage on my phone. So put that aside and show my personal slimes that I have. So here's one. If you hear that like loud noise, it's from a vacuum cleaner. My mom's not vacuuming. It's like those like Roomba things. So comment below if you have them. So this one's like not very stretchy. Okay, I take that back. Sometimes it's stretchy, sometimes it's not. It smells really weird. clicky as well. And yeah, I have a ton of butter slime. So this one's a butter slime. It's a really hard one. But at the same time, it's really stretchy. A really nice butter slime. That was a bad swirl. So yeah, I have better butter slimes than this. Better butter slimes than this. So I'm gonna make a swirl for you guys. I love swirls that are just like so nice. Oh my gosh, the lighting is so great. Sorry about the screaming in the background. That's my brother doing a video for his channel for some reason. Yeah, so, oh, by the way, it might be like the sound whenever I turn the camera around. It might sound a little like I don't know how to explain it. Yeah. This is a full 8 ounce. So, okay. This one, oh my gosh, I did a slime tray with my friend, and she gave me this one. And oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It's super glossy. It used to be like really oozy and really nice, but I made it because it was really sticky, and then I put other different types of slimes in here, and I made it not sticky, so now it's like, but it's like kind of oozy, and it's like really nice. It smells amazing, like Trix yogurt. You know that Trix yogurt? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm just gonna say it smells amazing. Like, I wish you guys could smell it. Like, here's my pie slime that I made yesterday in my Instagram video. If you guys want to go check that out, my Instagram account is called Shimmery Slimes. So yeah, this one's like a smaller version of the 8 ounce butter slime, because this one the butter slime was too big, so and it couldn't fit, so I just had to like do this, put it in before a container. And yeah, this one's like really nice, really. It's not in here, it's in here because it was like that, but this one is supposedly supposed to be clear slime, but it's not, because my cousins keep playing with it, and then they've been playing with other slimes, and then it gets in here, and then it's just really bad. So it has clear beads in it, as you can see. Stop falling, Karen. Okay. I have to go over here. Okay, whatever. I like this angle better. It's I consider it snow slime, even though it's not snow slime. I like to call it snow slime because I failed my snow slime because it was really bad. So my aunt actually made this, and it's a really nice slime. Like, she made it with glue all. I gave her a lot of choices to make with what glue to make with. It got really sticky because I stopped playing with it. And again, I am very sorry for the camera falling a lot. So anyway, she decided to put red. It's really sticky, but it used to be like really stretchy, really nice. And I was so proud of her, and she was like, I know. I'm like, awesome. Like, well, since I don't play with it anymore, it's like this. And by the way, here's a hack for slimes, how to make your slimes non-sticky without any activator. So what I do is I leave my slimes out without no cap in their container. Okay, it's just coming into sticky disaster. Why did I do that? Why did I take it out? Okay, next time I know not to take the slime out. Okay, this is good. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. There's sticky stuff on my hand. That's fine. I can just wash it off with another slime. I'm just going to take the slime I already showed you guys. And yeah. Okay, there we go. Next is this my mom my mom named it Candyland, and it has the big beads in it, and it's supposed to be a butter slime, but like all my slimes that all my butter slimes that are not butter slime anymore, I don't play with them, and then they just kind of get liquidy. So let's just say it's a cookie butter slime. It still has that butter slime texture, and it's really smooth, really stretchy, and it's really nice. So, yeah. And I love these containers with the green caps. I don't know what happened to my other 3, but yeah. Then I have this white slime with, it's like a bigger version of the other one I showed you. So, it's really nice. And what I noticed is that there used to be a ton of beads in here, but like for some reason, it's like the slime soaked it up, like soaked up the beads. I don't know, but yeah, it's really cookie. Really stretchy. So that's that slime. And then I have this candle, smells like candle slime. And it's really nice. My friend, I let her borrow 2 slimes that mean a lot to me, and I hope she gives them back. If you're watching this, you know who you are. And there's this white slime with beads in it, clear beads in it. Like, I don't know why I put clear beads in here. But, yeah, it smells so nice. I love slimes, like white slime, whenever you like poke it, it's like green. Like, I don't know.
Breakfast is ready.
Okay, breakfast is ready for me, but I'm gonna try and continue my other slime here. So here's like another slime. It smells like blueberry, like a blueberry muffin. It's really nice. If you guys haven't seen the account Fluffy Slimes on Instagram, you might notice this because they gave it to me. It's like a butter slime, but yeah, it's like a butter slime.
And
So yeah. This one is next. It is, I made this one with glue all. It feels exactly like the one that my aunt, well, not exactly, but like, it's kind of like the one that my aunt made, except it's less stickier and it's really cookie. And it has a few beads in it. And my cousin helped me, my 12-year-old cousin, well, he's turning 13 in a few months now. He helped me make it this color. Okay, and I have all these slimes and bags in them. I'm just too lazy to take them out right now. Another one is this one. I have 2 last slimes to show you guys. So, this one has like a ton of beads in it. It's like a really pearly slime, really nice. I call it pearly slime, so yeah, don't judge me. It has a lot of beads in it, so yeah. And and it's a 2 ounce. I'm not selling this, but okay. So slime just oozed out.
Guys,
I'm coming. I just need to show one more. 2 more slimes. Okay, so then this last one is also in a flarp container, but yeah, it's okay. So it's really stretchy and it's a really pretty red like slime. Sorry about talking really low. I'll make it high. I'll talk louder. So go check out my brother's Beyblade channel. I forgot what it's called because it used to just be Beyblade Flicks, but now it's like Beyblade God or something. She's watching Beyblade. Okay, it's fun.
I'm gonna eat by myself.
Wait, okay, I'm almost done. Okay, so yeah, that's that. And I'll show you this slime from Target. The putty got really hard, so I took it out. And I replaced it with this. It's really jiggly. It's not very stretchy. I mean, and it's cookie. So yeah. That was not me. That was this. Okay. So yeah, that's my slime collection. Not all of it, but I'll do part 2. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!